Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett. Character list. Vladimir. Vladimir is one of the two protagonists. He is a bum like Estragon, but retains a memory of most events. However, he is often unsure whether his memory is playing trick on him. Vladimir is friend with Estragon because Estragon provides him with the chance to remember past events. Vladimir is the one who makes Estragon wait with him for Mr. Godot's imminent arrival throughout the play. Vladimir has been compared to the intellect which provides for the body, represented by Estragon. Second is Estragon. Estragon is one of the two protagonists. He is a bum and asleep in a ditch where he is beaten each night. He has no memory beyond what is immediately said to him and relies on Vladimir to remember for him. Estragon is impatient and constantly wants to leave Vladimir but is restrained from leaving by the fact that he needs Vladimir. It is Estragon's idea for the bums to pass their time by hanging themselves. Estragon has been compared to a body without an intellect, which therefore needs Vladimir to provide the intellect. Next is Pozzo. Pozzo is the master who rules over Lucky. He stops and talks to the two bums in order to have some company. In the second act, Pozzo is blind and requires their help. He, like Estragon, cannot remember people he has met. His transformation between the acts may represent the passage of time. Lucky. Lucky is the slave of Pozzo. He is tied to Pozzo via rope around his neck and he carries Pozzo bag. Lucky is only allowed to speak twice during the entire play, but his long monologue is filled with incomplete ideas. He is silenced only by the other characters, who fight with him to take off his hat. Lucky appears as a mute in the second act. Next is Boy, who is messenger. The boy is a servant of Mr. Godot. He plays an identical role in both acts by coming to inform Vladimir Estragon that Mr. Godot will not be able to make it that night, but will surely come the next day. The boy never remembers having met Vladimir Estragon before. He has a brother who is mentioned but who never appears. And our last character is Godot. Godot will never appear in the drama, but he is entity that Vladimir and Estragon is waiting for. Thank you.